Now.
Hey you guys, I just had Logan. Anyway, we're about to go back to band camp in a little bit.
You're fine.
Ready?
Look at the dream machine. It's so wonderful. Which one? No, take the camera. Take the camera. Like.
And I was like,
In my room.
The camera just got flipped upside down.
oh,
Sorry about that. Yeah.
My bad.
It was her bad. Right there. I go right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks.
But, anyways, look at my beautiful locker with my name on it. It's a locker all to myself. Check it out. And then Deanna's down here.
Mine isn't famous yet.
And she has that all to herself too.
My horn. School horn, my horn.
Yeah, school horn, her horn. School horn, her horn. I think I said hern.
Hern.
Yeah.
Herndon.
Herndon. Herndon. But, it's the granola bar from earlier that Snowflake threw at me. That is awesome. That is so awesome. Well, we're going to walk around now. All the people. Okay.
You forgot my name, didn't you?
Okay. So you can't really see much right now, except for people in the band hall. So there's a lot of people in there. And
What's up?
hi.
What are you doing? It's about to rain.
We're gonna go outside. You can see the parking lot and all that area.
I have that phone.
I love it. She was just talking to some random person that has her phone. So, camera's on Deanna. I don't know. Okay, well, we're going to let y'all go. So, bye. Say bye, Deanna.
Bye-bye.